Are you living with daily, nagging chronic pain from arthritis, old injuries, or general body inflammation? You've been failed by painkillers that only mask the symptoms while damaging your stomach and liver. This constant, silent inflammation is the #1 cause of heart disease, Alzheimer's, and rapid aging. Imagine eradicating joint pain, boosting circulation, and detoxifying your body with a simple, potent morning shot. The secret is the synergistic combination of two golden roots, turmeric and ginger. This powerful duo acts like a natural steroid, directly blocking the inflammatory pathways NFKB at the cellular level. Studies confirm this shot provides pain relief comparable to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. This is the ultimate, cheap, side effect-free alternative to pills for systemic inflammation. We'll expose the crucial, secret ingredients you must add to maximize the turmeric's absorption by 2000%. If you ignore systemic inflammation, you are allowing plaque to build up in your arteries and brain. We'll reveal the exact daily recipe and the vital consumption tip to protect your stomach lining. Don't skip the final warning about the one common mistake that turns your anti-inflammatory shot into a toxic irritant. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to eliminating internal inflammation. Are you living with the daily, relentless, nagging chronic pain that comes from arthritis, old injuries, or that general, systemic inflammation that makes you feel stiff and old? This constant discomfort is a clear sign that your body is fighting a losing battle against internal fire. You've been repeatedly failed by over-the-counter painkillers and prescription drugs that only mask the symptoms, offering temporary relief while simultaneously damaging your stomach lining, liver, and cardiovascular system. This constant, silent, low-grade inflammation is the single most destructive force in your body, recognized by science as the #1 underlying cause of severe heart disease, Alzheimer's, and accelerated cellular aging. Imagine waking up and instantly eradicating your joint pain, boosting vital circulation, detoxifying your body, and calming that internal fire with a simple, potent, affordable morning shot. The secret to achieving this powerful anti-inflammatory effect is the perfect, ancient, synergistic combination of two globally recognized golden roots, turmeric and ginger. This dynamic duo works like a natural steroid, but without the side effects. They directly block the central inflammatory pathways, specifically the NFKB molecule, at the deepest cellular level. Clinical studies confirm that the anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects of this natural combination are comparable to, and in some cases even surpass, those achieved by non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. This is the ultimate, cheap, non-pharmaceutical, and side effect-free alternative for addressing and eliminating chronic systemic inflammation throughout your entire body. We'll expose the crucial, powerful, secret third ingredient you must add to this shot to maximize the turmeric's bioavailability and absorption by an astonishing 1000%. If you continue to ignore or mask systemic inflammation, you are allowing dangerous plaque to silently build up in your arteries, damaging your heart, and promoting neuroinflammation in your brain. We'll reveal the exact, potent daily recipe and the vital consumption tip you must follow to ensure this shot is gentle on your stomach while maximizing its therapeutic punch. Don't skip the final warning about the one common mistake people make when preparing this shot, which can turn your anti-inflammatory medicine into a toxic, gut-irritating compound. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to eliminating internal inflammation and reclaiming your youthful mobility. The synergy between turmeric and ginger creates an unparalleled anti-inflammatory effect that is superior to either root used alone. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, targets the general inflammatory cascade by inhibiting NF-κB, the on switch for inflammation in your cells. Ginger's active compounds, gingerols and shogaols, target specific pain receptors and inflammatory molecules, prostaglandins, providing rapid, localized pain relief, especially in the joints. Together, they cover both systemic, long-term inflammation curcumin and immediate, symptomatic pain relief gingerols, offering a comprehensive, powerful solution. This combined action is why this simple root shot is so effective at reducing the pain and stiffness associated with chronic conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Now, let's talk about the key to success: bioavailability. As discussed previously, curcumin is notoriously poorly absorbed by the body. The secret third ingredient is black pepper, specifically the compound piperine. Piperine inhibits the metabolic pathway in the liver that rapidly breaks down curcumin. By adding just a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to your shot, you increase the body's ability to absorb and utilize the beneficial curcumin by up to 2,000%. This step is non-negotiable for therapeutic effect. The fourth crucial ingredient is a healthy fat source, such as a teaspoon of coconut oil or olive oil, as both curcumin and piperine are fat-soluble. Taking the shot with fat ensures it is properly dissolved and transported into the bloodstream. The complete, optimal recipe for your daily anti-inflammatory shot involves combining half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger root, a pinch of black pepper, a teaspoon of coconut oil, and about 4 ounces of water or fresh lemon juice. This powerful anti-inflammatory action has immense benefits for cardiovascular health. Inflammation is what allows cholesterol to stick to artery walls and form plaque. By aggressively reducing systemic inflammation with this shot, you protect your artery lining, reduce oxidative stress, and actively clear the vascular system, preventing the hardening and blockage that lead to heart attacks and strokes. Ginger, in particular, has blood-thinning properties that help prevent dangerous platelet aggregation, further contributing to heart protection. Remember to like this video if you are tired of chronic pain and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. We are here to bring you the best natural solutions. This shot is also an excellent natural detoxification tonic. Ginger stimulates circulation and liver function, promoting the removal of metabolic waste and toxins from the body. The combined antioxidant power of curcumin and ginger actively supports the liver, the body's main detox organ, protecting it from damage and enhancing its ability to process harmful substances. For those suffering from digestive issues and chronic bloating, The ginger component stimulates digestive enzymes and speeds up gastric emptying, providing rapid relief from abdominal distress. The final warning we promised concerns safe consumption and protecting your gut. The active compounds in both ginger and turmeric are potent and acidic. Never take these to roots in powder or capsule form on an empty stomach with just water, as the high concentration can cause stomach irritation, reflux, or nausea. Always dilute the mixture and include the healthy fat. The fat acts as a buffer and ensures the potent compounds are delivered safely and smoothly to the small intestine for absorption. If you have existing gallbladder issues or are taking prescription blood thinners, consult your physician before starting this regimen, as the combined power of the roots can be significant. We've covered the synergistic pain relief, the 2000% absorption secret, the cardiovascular protection, and the necessary safety protocols. This simple, daily $3 shot is the most powerful, affordable, and actionable step you can take today to eliminate chronic internal inflammation and restore vibrant, pain-free health. We have now armed you with the precise knowledge to safely leverage this ultimate natural steroid for profound well-being. Now, tell us in the comments below, which ingredient will you be adding to your shot to maximize its power: the black pepper, the coconut oil, or both? We want to hear your plan. If this video revealed the missing link for someone suffering from chronic pain or heart disease, please share it immediately with them. This information is literally life-changing. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common household products that are secretly causing your hormones to crash. Thank you for trusting natural health secrets. Fire up your natural immunity and eliminate pain today. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.